Here, we shall look at the use of a bike carrier on a camper van. To use the bike carrier, loosen the straps and fold down the extension arm with the bike rails. With this carrier model, the bike rail must also be fixed with the tensioning straps. In order to hold the bike in place, sliding fixation shoes are attached to the rails, which can be adjusted depending on the size of the bicycle. Lift the bike onto the transport rail and fix it with the upper holding arm. Be careful not to hit the rear wall of the vehicle with the handlebars. This can damage or scratch the side of the vehicle. If possible, turn the handlebars of the bicycle sideways on the first rail. The holding arms are available in different lengths and in different designs depending on the manufacturer. The arms can be moved. Then fix the wheels with straps or sliding fixation shoes. The method of securing the bicycle wheels depends on the manufacturer and carrier model. Please note that the overall length of the vehicle increases when the bicycle carrier is folded out and the bicycle wheels are not visible in the side mirrors. The camera view is also restricted on vehicles with a reversing camera. An additional cover over the bicycle may further restrict the field of vision, which would be a good reason not to use a cover, although of course desire to protect the bicycle from the elements and the eyes of others is understandable. To lessen the risk of theft, the front wheel could be removed. Remember of course that the prongs where the wheel fits on the bicycle could scratch the bicycle carrier. Therefore, it would be better to place protective material between them and the shoe of the carrier. It is very important that you comply with the maximum permissible loading weight of the carrier. The weight limit should be written on the information plate on the carrier. It is normally about 50 kilograms. This may not be enough for 2 electric or 3 conventional bicycles, so you will need to check the weight of your bicycle. The opening angle of these rear doors can be extended at the touch of a button. At a 90-degree position, there is no risk of hitting the side of the vehicle. Be careful not to open the door at a 180-degree angle when the carrier is folded out. The carrier may hit the vehicle. If you find it difficult to lift a bicycle onto the bike carrier, there are some alternatives. For example, there are pulley systems with rails which make it easier to put a bicycle into the rear of the vehicle. Alternatively, there are also electronic systems where you set your bicycle on a rail which is then pulled up onto the rear of your vehicle.